You are doubling down on the parks. That's one big financial change. Announced that you're investing $60 billion over the next 10 years. Are you concerned about consumer spending waning, especially if there is not, say, a soft landing with this economy?
Well, if you look at our track record, particularly the last 5 years of the parks, but you could look back another, say, 10 years, it's been stellar in terms of return on invested capital. The investments that we've made in that business, just by the way, and domestically, but also globally, have really paid off. And they've each paid for themselves in many ways. And since we make decisions about capital allocation that are based on what we feel is the best way to deploy our money to deliver shareholder value, we felt in looking at the results of the parks that since the returns have been so strong, why not invest more? It was as simple as that. The trajectory is very bright for those parks. You can look at the results today and see that not only are our domestic parks doing well, or we've got some difficult comparable or comparisons in terms of the Florida parks, but the international parks are doing extremely well, as is our cruise business. So when we looked ahead at how we'll allocate capital, and you mentioned the guidance that we gave about growing free cash flow in fiscal 24, we decided that a great place to place our bets or our capital is in the business that's delivered the best results. Yeah. We're not concerned. By the way, you look back, there have been all kinds of cycles in terms of the consumer, dating back to 2008, 2009, for instance, or 2011 with what happened with the terrorist attacks. And again, those are, I don't want to say blips because they're significant, but they come and go, and we've seen that. And we don't invest for any one specific time. We invest for the long term.
Well, before we're out of time, I want to make sure to ask you about the strike. The Screen Actors Guild is still on strike. There are picketers outside the lot where we are right now. From what I understand, there are negotiations happening perhaps even as we speak. And there's a lot of concern that if this actors' strike drags on longer, could really threaten the films at the box office. I know that your movie industry is a big priority to you. What can you tell us about the state of negotiations and how this could really impact your business?
Well, first of all, let me begin by saying I have the utmost respect for actors. They're an incredibly important part of the Walt Disney Company for obvious reasons. And we've been hard at work, the companies involved in this business, as well as SAG, the Screen Actors Guild, in trying to figure out a way to get them back to work. And I can only say that I'm optimistic that we'll figure that out relatively soon. In terms of the impact on the business, so far it's been negligible. Long term, meaning if the strike goes on much longer, it could become significant. Obviously, we'd like to try to preserve a summer of films. The entire industry is focused on that. We don't have much time to do that.
You think a week, 2 weeks before the summer?
I don't want to specify, except that we're all, SAG and the AMPTP companies, are very hard at work at trying to solve this.